Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into all things beauty and beyond. Today, we're taking a look at a product that's a game changer for oral care, the Soocas NEOS II, electric toothbrush with water flosser. This sleek device combines two crucial components of your oral routine, brushing and flossing. It promises to not only save you time, but also provide a comprehensive clean for a healthier mouth. Let's dive into the details and see if this multifunctional gadget lives up to the hype. The Soocas NEOS II is an all-in-one toothbrush and water flosser designed for adults. It features an ultra-fine 0.6mm water stream with a powerful 124.3 psi peak water pressure. This makes it highly effective in removing up to 35 times more stains compared to a manual toothbrush. The design is compact and portable, with a built-in water tank making it perfect for travel. The device also boasts a remarkable battery life, offering up to 30 days of use on a single charge. It comes with two brush heads, two covers, a magnetic charger, and a reservoir cleaning brush, with the only thing missing being the adapter. In terms of real-world usage, the NEOS II offers two distinct modes, Deep Clean and Quick Floss. I found that the Deep Clean mode works wonders for a thorough cleaning, especially when it comes to targeting the hard-to-reach areas between the teeth. The Quick Floss mode is perfect for a quick touch-up, ideal when you're on the go. The water flosser worked efficiently, providing a gentle yet effective flossing experience without causing any discomfort. However, the device can get a bit bulky when the water tank is full, which could be a slight inconvenience for some users. Now, let's go over the pros and cons. On the positive side, the Soocas NEOS II excels in its dual functionality. Combining both brushing and flossing in a single device is a big win for those looking to simplify their oral care routine. The extended battery life is impressive, lasting up to 30 days on a single charge, which is ideal for travel. The copper-free bristles are also a thoughtful touch, ensuring a safer, metal-free brushing experience. On the downside, while it's compact, it's not the smallest or lightest device on the market, which could be an issue for people seeking something ultra-portable. Also, the magnetic charger is great, but the lack of an adapter means you'll need to source one yourself. In terms of value for money, this device offers a lot of functionality for its price point. While it's not the cheapest option out there, the two-in-one design, strong performance, and long battery life make it a reasonable investment for those looking to streamline their oral care routine. It's certainly priced in line with other high-quality electric toothbrushes with added flossing capabilities. When comparing it to other similar products, the Soocas NEOS II stands out due to its dual functionality and long-lasting battery life. Many competitors offer either a toothbrush or a flosser, but not both in one compact design. However, there are cheaper alternatives that offer solid flossing or brushing experiences individually, though they may lack the convenience of a combined solution. The build quality of the NEOS II feels solid, with a well-constructed body and effective water tank. The materials used, including the copper-free bristles, contribute to a healthier brushing experience. I didn't experience any issues with durability during my tests, but long-term reliability remains to be fully seen. While I didn't need to reach out to customer support during my review, Soocas has generally maintained a strong reputation for offering helpful customer service and ensuring product quality. However, it's always good to keep in mind that interactions with support can vary depending on location. As for product alternatives, if you're seeking something more affordable, brands like Philips Sonicare or Oral-B offer strong electric toothbrushes that pair well with flossing features, though none provide the same combined experience as the Soocas NEOS II. So, what's the final verdict on the Soocas NEOS II? If you're looking for a sleek, all-in-one solution to simplify your oral care routine, this could be a solid choice. Its dual functionality, long battery life, and copper-free bristles make it a practical tool for those serious about their oral health. However, if portability is your top concern, you might want to consider a smaller, lighter option. Ultimately, this toothbrush and water flosser combo does its job well, especially for those who want an efficient, all-in-one solution. Is this review useful to you? If so, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so that others can also discover this product. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments, especially if you've already tried the Soocas NEOS II. Thanks for watching, and as always, goodbye until next time with a little extra beautyistic flair.